Hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to edit theme in Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, in order for you to edit the theme, there is two ways. The first one, which is when you download the program for the first time. So if you went here and you went to your browser and downloaded the Visual Studio Code, click here and do download for Windows, and then you started installing it. First of all, when you create your account, after that they will ask you for some settings to set up your Visual Studio. The first select that they will ask you for is the languages that you want them to be installed in your code or your software, and then they will tell you what kind of theme you'd like it to be. There's multiple themes. There's the white one, pink one, I think, or violet one, and the dark one, and I think another one. So, in order for you to change the theme, you can just pick it from there. And basically, if you picked something wrong and like you didn't like it, you can change it. So don't worry about it. Basically, what you'll have to do is open your Visual Studio Code. After that, go to this settings, which is at the top bottom left corner. Click on settings, and here search for theme. And here, basically, guys, you will find multiple options of theme. So you can edit whatever you'd like in the theme, the color, the things, whatever you'd like. So here, workbench color theme. You can change it. For example, as you can see, there is multiple options. So high contrast. You can make it dark Visual Studio. You can make it dark V2. You can make it can be dark. You can make it light. Oh my god, this is so strong to my eyes. There's this one. There's red. There is monochrome. There's like multiple options that you can choose from, and you can choose whatever your eyes actually likes it to be. For example, the blue, there is dark, which is actually pretty much good for your eyes. And yeah, if you want to edit anything about the theme else, like the icon, prevent dark color theme, high contrast color theme, workbench, etc., you can choose everything from here. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually edit your Visual Studio Code theme. I hope you learned something from this video, and thank you guys for watching.